Hey YouTube, DragonTooth here, bringing you my Tweak Tuesday video. This one is going to be on color keyboard, one of the main components to have a full and complete theme. It really kind of explains itself. Color keyboard, it's probably one of the only tweaks or slash themes or anything else that you can think of that'll give you a custom keyboard that actually works for iOS 5. It is constantly updated for new development tools and new interfaces and more support for the stuff that Apple keeps releasing. It is paid, $1.99 at BigBoss, and of course you can get it free at xsellize. Support the developer for sure, always. But I'm just gonna jump in. You can't see it here, but just put in my Android lock. It doesn't add an icon to your springboard, but it does put a section in your settings. Your enable disable, your select themes. Now, as you can see, there's lots of default ones. The only ones that I've put in are Absolution, Amplified, and 2 Unique. All the rest are defaults. Oh, and Amplified Pro Red. And the rest, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and as you can see, there's tons. And then there's plugins. I think these are backgrounds. But yeah, you have tons of themes. Where is the one I had? There it is, just so I don't have to respring right away. So there's the select themes and then the pop-up keys. So if you look at your keyboard, when you click one of the keys, it comes up, and right above where your finger is, it shows you which one you're clicking on, and those also have custom themes. So for these black and blues and greens, you can mix them with other colors on the main theme. You can have a custom background. I'll show all these different things later, by the way, in the video. And so you have your custom background on iPhone Alert and iPhone Standard. So that's, I'm actually not sure what that is. I'll check that out for later in the video. Key border radius, kind of self-explanatory. It goes in pixels. And theme gallery, this is where you have all your different themes where you can look and check them out. See, so as you can see by those photos, you kind of get the idea. It's very customizable, and I'm pretty sure these links will take you to Cydia or whatever. And so those are the FAQ. Dang, you're being stupid again, aren't you, Windows? But anyways, and your special thanks, your refresh themes, your authors. There's the author Yojang Kim. At least I think that's how you say it. But anyways, to show this off, I'm just gonna skip over here. And you guys have seen these in my theme videos and probably some of my other ones too. But there you go. And that letter, that J that's on there now, right? My finger is on the J on the keyboard, but that is the pop-up key. And so you can change those around and whatnot. So I just put in a J in there. And everything's there. You have your numbers and all your different symbols, and then your more symbols. And of course international doesn't work. The only one I have is Emojicon, and yeah, and some themes have this and some don't. I like this feature. You put in, it auto starts out with a capital whether or not you have that in your regular settings. But when you press something, then it goes from uppercase to lowercase. I don't know if you guys can see that. But goes from uppercase to lowercase, and then it goes back to uppercase when you have your shift on. And so I love that feature. It's small, but it makes a huge difference. And yeah, and it also has a numeric keypad for, oh, app locker is on. So if I go to something that would be restricted, per se my Gmail, I guess Gmail isn't locked. Oh, come on, give me some settings. I guess app locker is not on. So, see there. So, the numeric keypad, I don't know if that's actually part of the theme or if it's part of color keyboard. I'm not quite sure. But, yeah. So, that is color keyboard. And right now, I'm going to put one of my other keyboards. And this does cause you to respring every time. I'm going to uncheck absolution and just go to my 2 unique one. And just for effect, I'm going to leave my absolution pop-up. Okay, Windows, shut up. And I'm going to leave the absolution pop-up keys just for effect so you guys can see the difference. So I'm just going to hit save. And these changes are going to cause your springboard to respring. So I will be back when it's done respringing. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm just gonna unlock the device, go over to Spotlight. As you can see, keyboard's different. But one of the things is the keys are the green, and when it goes into that one it's the regular theme because that's part of the theme. But the overlay is the pop-up key is the green. And this one doesn't have the uppercase lowercase feature, see, so I'll turn off the shift and it doesn't switch. But it does have, I haven't found a theme that hasn't had all the icons and different things like that. It's kind of mandatory for people to have and like your keyboard. But one of the other things is that I looked at this before I started recording. The numeric keypad is affected. The one inside of your phone app, if you have an iPhone, probably isn't. I'm actually pretty much positive it isn't. It might be, but I highly doubt it. This is only affected for things like app locker in this case, or your default lock for your iDevice at your lock screen. That's really all this is used for, and any other add-ons that you might have. But yeah, and so that is really color keyboard, guys. I don't have really anything else. Oh, I respring, so that's gonna have to reload. But yeah, that's really all I have for color keyboard. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. Where is it? Color keyboard. And so yes, I didn't look at the add-ons. You guys can look that up yourselves, because me personally, I've never had to use it. I don't think I ever will, because I really use this just to fully finish the theme. Because if you have like a green theme per se, like this absolution theme, it really doesn't look good when you have a gray and blue default keyboard there. It just kind of wrecks it, being that the keyboard is meant for default vanilla iOS. So yeah guys, that's what I have for this, and I hope you liked the vid. If you did, like it. Windows, I'm gonna kill you. But if you did like it, I just said that. If you didn't, leave a comment saying why, and maybe I can improve the video somehow in that way. If you really liked it and you like the way I did this video, please subscribe. I will definitely try hard every week on Tuesday to get out a tweak video. If I don't, then it's because I'm stacked with homework, or I have basketball practice, volleyball practice, soccer practice, track practice, or play rehearsal. So as you guys can tell, I'm a very busy guy. So this is just something extra. It's not going to take priority over those kind of things in my everyday life, but this, I've gotten one up every day so far. So subscribe if you want to see more, and share it if you have any friends that may be interested. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you later.